Hi, this is Michael Eden, and in this video, let us learn how to create virtual hosts on the Apache server on CentOS 7 machine. In the previous video, we have seen the installation of Apache Web Server, and we have already seen hosting a static website, both the sample example website and a real phantom website. So in this video, let's check how to create virtual host in Apache Web Server on CentOS machine. Here I'm hosting two static websites on single Apache Web Server. So let's go to the terminal and try to do that. Let me see the status of httpd server. So it is active. Let me see what is the IP of IP is nothing but 192.168.146.131, or simply we can write localhost or 127, because as we are in localhost, we can just browse with localhost or 127.0.0.1. Anything will be okay. And if at all, if you are going where we are having a proper static web IP address, then it's better to go and check with the command ifconfig in CentOS. Okay. Let me check what we are getting to make sure everything is in place. Okay. If you are seeing this message, then we can conclude that Apache HTTP server is installed successfully and HTTPD server service is started. Okay. Now let me clear the screen and let me go to this directory. So we are in the correct directory. Here let's create two websites and two directories like dir site HTTP, sample app and phantom. These two websites are created in my previous sessions. Now in these sessions I have created site 1 and site 2. So if at all if Apache HTTP server has to access these websites, means then the contents of site 1 and site 2, it should be in the ownership of Apache. So let's change that. Sudo ch1 the user and the owner in the group. The owner is Apache and the group is Apache. Or recursive means all the contents of it. Site 1, site 2. So yes, it's not site 1 comma, actually we have to move this site. Yeah, now it is in proper shape. Let's go into the site one. See site one directory, and let's create some sample HTML page. Index.html. Let me create. This is index page. First website. Save. Come back. Let's create the same different index page in the site 2 website as well. This is let's check the contents. So in the site one we have an index page which shows that this is index page on the first website, and in the site 2 we have created the index page which shows that this is index page of second website. So just have a difference, means difference of two websites, nothing else. Okay. So now go to configuration of httpd. Here let's create two directories. mkdir sites -available space sites enabled. The reason for this I'll try to explain at the end of the session. Let's continue doing this. Let's open this file conf/httpd.conf. This is the actual configuration file and the starting point here. If we go to the end, and here I want you to include one line in the as like the above line, include optional sites -enable /contact, and then save it. Now we have done this part. So ls. Okay. Now I want to create one configuration file in sites available. /site1.conf/conf. So our website name will be site1.com or else www.site1.com. Okay. And here just give the following lines. Virtual host server name server alias document root slash var slash html slash site slash, and let's have error log also. So I'm copying this so that it will be easier for us to give in the second website also. So now we have to understand what is this. Here we are creating a virtual host where we are trying to listen to the port 80, and the server name will be www.site1.com, and server name can be the host name, IP address, or anything whatever it is. But for us now we are giving server alias, means alias name, duplicate name or the pet name, which is site1.com. If you use site1.com or www.site1.com at port 80, we will go to the document root. This is the where actual all the content of site1 should be here, and the first point of contact for this website site1 is index.html, which we have already placed here. And this is error log is if at all we are facing any errors, all these errors in the website will be shown here in this error.log file. And this custom log stores the errors related to requests. And here we have to give the closing tag slash virtual host. Now save it and turn on. In the same way, let's create the site 2 also. We have changed everything, right? Let's come out. Now we have to create symbolic links between site enabled and site available. By following commands, we will do that. Sudo -s -s I think this is spelling mistake here. enable success. Oh, let's do it for site 2 as well. So successfully we have created symbolic links. Let's see whether we have done it or not. CD. So we can see the symbolic links. Site1.com.conf is this actual path. Absolute path is this site. Okay. Now let's restart the web server. Success. Now go here and give so we are not getting it. So let's see log files. In etc httpd we have logs. We have two logs, access logs and error logs. So let's see the error log. If you see the error log here, we can see in the last line that SELinux policy is enabled. SELinux is actually it's for security wise and it's very much important when we are in the real time, when we are doing the real time projects. But as of now here in the practicing for the local host, we don't require that. So I'll set it off with the command sudo set enforce 0. Okay. Now there is a possibility of firewall as well. Means we have to allow the inbound traffic at the port 80. For that we have to allow the traffic, and this is the following command. cmp. Okay, it's already enabled, so there is no need of enabling it again. So what this command is here, firewall cmd firewall command, and we are making this zone as public, and this is a permanent change, and we are adding the port 80 for TCP protocol. Okay, and after doing the, if at all if it is not enabled for you before, use this command, and also we have to reload this firewall again with the following command. Why I am letting you know all the errors we have faced is it will be useful for you in your practice sessions. If at all if we go on the step by step which I have already solved these issues, then you might face the errors, and it will be takes little more time to get into the actual picture. So I am showing the errors and how to solve that as well. Now let's restart the server. success. Now at least now let's see. Now also now we are not getting. So where might be the third option to look at? Let's see this. vi etc/hosts. This etc/hosts is the first place where in the localhost will locate. Here we can give that localhost and remove all this. Site. Now let's try. Yeah, we are successful. We are successful in the looking at the first website. Let me see the other one. No. Yeah. This is index page of second website. Now we are able to see the two websites. That means we have hosted two static websites on a single HTTP server. Now let's understand what actually we have done. From the DNS server, we will get the control to the etc/host, and here we have the configuration saying that this server name is with this website name, and then from the control comes from here to here /httpd/httpd.conf. Let's see what is there in the terminal. So here if you see in the last line what we have given, include optional and sites enabled /star.conf. Let's copy this. Come on, try. Sites enabled as star.conf. So let's go to the site enabled. If you come here, Here in this site enable, we have this configuration. That means we have to hear the virtual host at port 80, and if it is server name site1.com or site1 www.site1.com or site1.com, then we have to go to this row where so with this we are coming here. This is index page of first website. So now I think you can understand what I'm trying to say here. Here the control is site / enable / start.conf, and in the sites enable we have this site1.com.conf, and here if you see this site1, and this is the document root where the actual index file is there. And now I told you that I'm going to say about sites available and sites enable. Here what exactly we are trying to do is, in the sites available we have different of websites, but they might be active or deactive at some different times. So what we are trying to do is we are having sites enabled, which are only active at point of time, will be placed here. And we are not actually keeping the content in the sites enable. We are providing the symbolic links to the sites available. So as some security wise, we are keeping all the data into the sites available, and we are providing the symbolic links. If any changes are there in the sites available, also it will be enabled here in the sites enabled. Okay, I think you understood what I'm trying to say, and successfully try to host 2 or more websites on a single Apache server. Thank you.